I'm sorting seeds. Look who's helping. Claire the garden gnome. Hi, buddy. Thanks for helping. I use these photo cases for my seed collection. And my cool weather crops, these are lettuces, greens, brassicas, and all herbs are in the cool colors. Peppers and tomatoes are in the warm color, red and orange, pink. And then the mixed color is everything else. Everything from sweet corn, all the melon, all the cucurbits. Those are all these yellow ones. And then what else is in here? Some peanuts, legumes, peas. And then back here, bunching onions, bulbing onions, celery, parsnips on this side, carrots on this side. And the two blue ones in the back are all my radishes. Did you get all that, Claire? Thank you for helping.